Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, enable billing and the cloud storage API, and pick a project ID. Sign into the cloud console, open your chosen project, and attach a payment method if required. Once done, enable the storage API so resources can be created. Make sure to note the project ID. You will reference it in commands and IAM roles. Finally, install and initialize the gCloud CLI or confirm console access. This gets you into the actionable setup quickly and reliably. Next, create your storage bucket. Pick a globally unique name and choose location type, multi-region for redundancy or region for lower latency. Select a storage class that matches access patterns, then set default object ACLs or uniform bucket level access. Use IAM to assign precise roles like storage, object admin for uploaders and storage, object viewer for readers. Once configured, test with a small upload via console or gCloud CP. Make adjustments to lifecycle rules and encryption settings while you validate access and behavior. To finish, upload representative files and verify retrieval and permission behavior from the accounts that will use the data. Configure lifecycle rules and retention policies to control costs, and enable logging and monitoring so you can audit operations and performance. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting by checking IAM permissions, ensuring billing is active, confirming the storage API is enabled, and verifying region or bucket name issues. If access still fails, test with a service account key to isolate user credential problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.